Hey y'all, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I am super excited to announce the Pinterest 101 course launch. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on the like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And if you haven't already, head on over to the Facebook group where we are creating a community of like-minded individuals looking to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. For those of you that are already in the Facebook group, I have been talking about this mini course for like a few weeks now. And I am grinding, and I finally got this bitch launched. So I'm like super excited, because what I realized inside of the group is that there was a need for just a basic Pinterest overview. Now, as you know, if you've been following my channel, I am currently working on a case study because Pinterest is a slow burn. It is a long game. So throughout this year, I will be building up my Pinterest account and then showing you the results of that, okay? So we'll be looking towards that at the end of this year, the beginning of 2023. But just to kind of get your feet wet, I wanted to start with this course, and based off of your feedback, I'm going to build it out. So as you go through and have more questions, I will be adding more content. So it is a very low price point, very interactive, where I will be providing y'all whatever you need, okay? Because Pinterest is one of those things where it's your best bet for promoting your products, because the pins never die, kind of like the Goonies never say die, all right? So I'm gonna jump over to my computer screen and kind of just show you what it looks like, and we'll go from there, okay? So this is the Pinterest course website that you will see pre-purchase, okay? And it will show you all of the course curriculum in here. You have your welcome module, course logistics. It's going to talk to you about what Pinterest is, the difference between a personal account or business account, Pinterest boards and pinning frequency, which is very important. A lot of people have some misconceptions about how many boards you need and how much pinning you need to do, and really don't overcomplicate that, okay? We'll go through that. Also, how to create awesome pins and some tips and tricks. While this isn't do it for you, I am currently working on a set of pin templates that I will be uploading to the course very soon. Okay. Also, should you use a pin scheduler or not? What's the deal with group boards, and how you can create Pinterest board covers. I also have some feedback here. This is what it will look like inside of the course as you go through. And we also have a community that is outside of social media, which is why I love these courses so much. It gives me the ability to hyper-focus my attention inside of these communities, and you don't have to be on Facebook if you hate it. So inside of here, we can talk about everything Pinterest to really help you explode your Pinterest game, okay? This is really going to help your business. I have been doing this for a while, and I have found that out of all of the social media platforms, Pinterest is where you need to be. So while Pinterest is continually ebbing and flowing like most things out there, I have a generally great feel for how this works. I've taken a lot of courses and they've been very beneficial. So I want to share that information with you guys to also help you grow. Now, if you are interested, you can go to the website, which I'll post up above there. Go check that out to check the course out. And if you need anything at all, don't hesitate to reach out. Hopefully you all got something out of this video. Again, if you haven't joined the Facebook group, go and do that. And I will catch y'all on the next video. Have a good one.